Okay, so we are going to continue with simple interest. We are going to calculate now. I'm going to explain each variable and how to use it and calculate using the simple interest formula. I'm going to write it shortly. But at the end of the lesson, I want you to know how to calculate the principal amount, the accumulated amount, the interest rate, and also the period in years or months. So let's get to it. So the simple interest formula is A equals to P into 1 plus I N. So as you can see here, A is accumulated amount, P is principal amount, the amount that you will be given, I'm going to show you shortly, and then I is the rate of interest, N is the period in years. All of this will help you get any variable that will be required from you. Maybe you're asking a question or yeah, in an exam or test. So without wasting any time, we may get to it. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how to calculate the simple interest. How to use the simple interest formula. Let's just say if you deposit 1,000 rands into a special bank, remember that this is the principal amount, the amount that you initially had and deposited into a special bank. That is if you do deposit or you do save. And then you are given a period of 3 years and also an interest of 7%. This is I. Remember that you have to divide this by 100. And also they are asking you right now to calculate A. You have to get A. You don't have A. You don't have the accumulated balance over a period of 3 years when you have an interest of 7%. So let me just show you right now how to use the formula. You are going to see the question on as a caption on the video. It's gonna be A, principal into 1. 1 is a constant, interest, and number of years or period. In this case is number of years. So let's just say here we are given 1,000 rands. We are given 1,000 rands into 1 plus we are given a percentage of an interest of 7%. You have to divide this by 100, and then also you have a period of 3 years. So the first thing you're going to do is solve this which is inside. Are we together? Okay. You can use a calculator. So you are first going to say 7 divided by 100, which is going to give you 0.07, and then multiply. This is if it's a comma, it's a multiplication sign. It's going to give you 0.07 multiplied by 3, and then you move on. I'm going to show you step by step. 0.07 multiplied by 3 gives you 0.21. It's going to give you 1 plus 0.21. Remember here you still have 1,000 rand of the principal amount. So you're going to say 1 plus 0.21, which is going to give you 1.21. So you're going to have the 1,000 rands into 1.21. And at the end, A is going to be equals to 1,000 multiplied by the 1.21. Remember, if it's brackets, you multiply. So your accumulated amount is 1,210 at the end.